What is up, YouTube? Jeremy here. Today's video is going to be me using a V3 Supercharger in New York. So for right now, the only V3 Supercharger that I was able to go to in upstate New York, because there's one also on Long Island, is in Fishkill, New York. So they have 12 stalls, and it is 27 cents a kilowatt. So the area right now is not bad. I see Five Guys, Chipotle. They have a pretty good gas station across the road that has a whole bunch of snacks and stuff to go to. But I'm at 10% right now. I'm going to try to crack that 1,000 mile per hour charge. So let's see right now. I'm going to show you guys exactly what percentage I'm at, so you guys can see that I'm actually here. All right, so right here, as you can see, I got it on the screen. I'm at 10%, and I am going to see exactly how long it takes. The time right now is 12:48, and let's see if we can crack that 1,000 mile per hour charge time. So this is also like one of my favorite things, where you can just drive in to the Supercharger. Just go here, press it up. Let's go back in and check it out, and let's see right now how it goes. This is taking a little longer than usual, but let's see once it starts calibrating. Alright, not sure why it's not starting. Let me go outside and check it to make sure it's all good. I'll be right back. Alright, for some reason, it is still blinking blue. Let me see something. Try it again. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yep, right there a little bit. Still blinking blue. If not, I'll just try another stall. Maybe this one is broken. I'm gonna have to report it. All right, I'm gonna just give up and go to another stall. Hopefully this one works. Yes, and it works. So we're gonna monitor it right now. Let's see how high it goes. Keep going. Come on, keep going. All right, now it's really starting to pick up. Let's go, keep going, keep going. 8, 9, 1,000. All right, we're hitting it right there, 250 kilowatts steady. Not bad at all. Finally hit 1,021 and 22 miles an hour on charge. So I'm gonna go get some food. I'll be right back, probably get Five Guys burgers and fries. Or Chipotle, one of the two, but I'll be right back. All right, just came back, got my Five Guys. We're at 65% at $11.07, so pretty fast, not bad at all. All right, so I'm gonna end it off at 79%.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
But, oh, I just dropped my keys. So you can see over there is the Five Guys. I just got over there, taking it off. Like everybody says, the wire is definitely much thinner. Definitely it's a nice look. All right, so it is 7:13 right now, and I'm going back to the Supercharger because I left my keys. So earlier in the video, if you heard me say, oh, my keys dropped, I totally forgot for some reason to pick my keys up. So when I got home, I'm looking in my car going crazy, and I remembered, clicked in my head, I dropped the keys over here. So fingers crossed my keys are on the floor. Like I'm praying, because I drove an hour and a half back over here just for my keys. So I'm gonna need you guys to drop a big old thumbs up on this video for me driving back out here to the Supercharger. Please, a thumbs up at least for that. Moment of truth when this light changes. Oh, it changed. Moment of truth, guys. And I got to charge again. I got 24%. Let me see. Nope. First stall, nothing. Oh, I don't see nothing. Let's see. I'm going to pull into the stall and look around. All right, I'm going to put the car to charge. Nothing over there on that stall. Nothing over there. I'm going to really thoroughly check. But I see my little name tape on my stuff. Whew. An hour and a half drive just for my keys. Mission accomplished. So guys, drop a big thumbs up. I drove an hour and a half just to get my keys back right here. All right guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. My hair is messed up, I'm stressed. That was very stressful, that drive over here. An hour and a half for the unknown, but big shout out to the Tesla community for looking out for each other, because somebody literally put it there, because I dropped it like right around there on the floor and they put it off to the side right there on the Supercharger. So I don't know who you are. Big thank you. Again, thumbs up, comment, subscribe. You know anybody that's interested in getting a Tesla, or you are going to get a Tesla, use the Tesla referral code. That will be 1,000 free Supercharger miles for you and me. So you're starting off in the right position right there. 1,000 Supercharger miles goes a long way. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time.